ole clear tu zong te chi bai le ve ko le video thar nen karon let le ta tuntum video chuan NVDA non visual desktop access screen reader download dan karon soi do na hei hi blind tetan an computer khoi thei ve na ani awangin hei hi blind tan chuan an nei nge angai ani chuan hian Google Chrome
14 New tab. Scan. New tab. Add shortcut. More actions for add short. Customize. Address and search bar. Edit. Search Google or type a URL. Control plus L. Scan off.
nvaccess.org kan tianga kan search ang
NV Access empowering lives through non-visual access to technology. Image, link, donate link, home link, about link, download, scan. We believe that every blind plus vision impaired person deserves the right to freely and easily link, get help, link, corporate / link, blog, link, support us, link, shop, link, create account / NV YouTube video play, NV Access Limited, link, NVDA, copy link, play, link, watch on YouTube, link, download the NVDA screen reader.
Heta hian download the NVDA screen reader hian enter ka hetam.
NV Access download NVDA has finished loading. NV Access download NVDA has finished loading.
Heading ka lule do na wangin h ka met lenga.
Link, NV Access empowering live, link, link, home, link, about, link, download, link, get help, link, download.
Chuan heta download a hian ka metanga chuan ain download to mai don ani ke chu ka download to a chu wang chuan download le ngai to lawa a install dan tur karon soi to don ani
F4
te khan ka close sa download sa kalanga
scan off this PC window folder device folders 3D music downloads today enter table items view 2 last week today NVDA _ 2024.4.1.exe
heta hian enter ka metanga
open file, security warning dialog, cancel, button. Do you always ask before while files from the internet, link, NV Access Limited, run, button, Alt plus R.
Enter ka met lang.
Downloads window, today, enter table items view, text. Please wait while setup is loading. Downloads window, today, enter table items view, 2x4, NVDA _ 2024.4.1.exe, 1 of 1, non-selected, new notification from Windows Security, threats found, Microsoft, loading NVDA, NVDA launcher dialog, license NVDA agreement launcher grouping. Dialog, license agreement edit read-only multi-line NVDA license. I agree checkbox non-checked Alt plus A.
Step mangin I agree hian kan checkang.
Space. Checked.
Space ka metanga space ka me kha na in checkang ain tikang
Install NVDA on this computer button Alt plus I.
Hian install NVDA hian enter ka metanga.
Install NVDA dialog to install NVDA to your hard drive. Use NVDA during sign-in checkbox options grouping to install NVDA during sign-in checkbox checked. Please press the continue button. New notification from Windows.
kan install na tur ta kha kan thanga nga
Create desktop icon and shortcut icon and Control plus Alt Control plus Alt checkbox checked Alt checkbox checked new notification from Windows new notification space unchecked not checked space checked new notification from Windows security
hei hi chu nge desktop a khan NVDA kha kan install khan desktop lang turin kan du le du lo khan ni me a
new continue button Alt plus C Alt plus C
enter ka met leang
Installing NVDA dialog please wait while NVDA is being installed 2x4 date modified split button collapsed
tunan Screenreader ka man hi Narrator ka mga chuwa sa namuang de ulag katirang du lem lo in shet kim lo kaslo bang
new notification from Windows security new notification from Windows
install me kan tikhan chumi tut tiri a om chu install ti
success dialog
tikhan a zota ne kan install
new notification from Windows security threats found Microsoft
tikhan kan install zota ne
downloads window
chuan kan escape
F4 desktop list this PC network NVDA 27 of 27 selected new notification
loading NVDA please wait
tikhan
desktop list NVDA 27 of 27
aram lang ta ne hei chu ahma kan isa ni wang khan I mei chia hi aram hala nang ni chu mi pa aram nga lang karing de Microsoft debit akamo
notification from Windows security
chuan tuntrum video chong khati jong khani sela hre thiam lo te kan omani chuan khonga in comment section lama khan
notification from Windows
next video kanin mole theu don nia